Oh my god, I'm hella white. Hey, no intro for this. I'ma just say big shout out to 650 Motors right here. Y'all need them? Pull up. Shout out to my boy David too for putting me on. And Tavo. Tavo, shout out to you. Man, I'm gonna pull up to my car real quick. This is a real drop top. Bruh, I'm sorry for this ISO. This thing's like tripping out. This dude right here got a clean SS. Clean, super clean build. Yeah, he got bare brakes and stuff.
That's what I want to put on my
Woohoo! Sorry if the quality is all like hella bad, but I need to get a new camera. Here at 650, we're getting a Maximum Motorsports Panhard bar and BMR subframe connectors. So my axle can get straightened out, and then the subframe connectors. So chassis stiffening could just be on a whole nother level. And then after this is done, I'm gonna take you up the back road, alright? Shout out to 650 for taking care of me. So if y'all need anything, hit him up. He does all cars, not just Mustangs, Dodge, Chevy. He does it all. So next time you guys see me picking this up, it's gonna be even better. I forgot the camera again, but we're picking up this thing. I just got off of work. I'm over here in freaking slacks and stuff. I'm super tired right now, so if I'm slow, I'm sorry. But the car is done. Panhard bar is on. Subframe connectors are on. The only bad thing is I don't have a sway bar or exhaust tips. I'll throw up a picture of why I don't have a sway bar. I don't have a sway bar because the link to the Panhard bar, that silver link that you guys saw, is very close to the sway bars. The reason why it's close is because I have aftermarket arms. On the stock arms, they would have been fine, but obviously y'all saw the whole suspension that I did on this car. So yeah, that's why I have no rear sway bar. But at least the rear end is stiff with that Panhard bar. And also no exhaust tips because the subframe connectors were hitting the exhaust, and there was no way for Edgar from 650 to get the subframe connectors on, so I just had him chop off the exhaust tip. I had him chop off the exhaust tip. It didn't matter if he did or not because I'm gonna get a new exhaust anyways, which you guys will see the video after this. Oh no, ain't no way y'all gonna see this. Oh wait, you guys can see it. Yep, right there is the Panhard bar, and it's somewhere up there. I'll show you guys under a little bit better because I gotta spray the welds with Rust-Oleum so there's no rust. Shout out to my baby for picking me up from work. Hey, shout out to Edgar. Yo. 650, hit him up. We got a Starburst. We about to grub right now, and then I'll see you guys.
I didn't know if this was day in the life.
Well, we picked up the car, so.
Remember when we had a channel?
Oh yeah, we do.
It's still up. It's still up.
Y'all can go find it. But hey,
Do they know my info?
we about to grub right now, so
Hey! Quick shout out to Valley Meats for putting this on Starbucks.
Valid means a. I thought I heard you rev it up.
Yeah, it sounds fucking better than you did last time. I got like headliner coming down and everything.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Yep. Oh my god. Dude, it sounds so.
It sounds good.
Dude, you know what I want? I want an ISF.
ISFs are bad,
Yeah,
bro.
but I think this might be a better choice.
I mean, for the price, bro, there's a red one on there right now for $3,500, and it looks pretty good.
It sounds so nice.
It does.
Oh my god, dude.
I'm gonna go fill up the tire at the gas station. That
You good, bro?
motherfucker's low.
I know, I see it.
No, I'll be back.
So that's my neighbor, Jacob. Shout out to Jacob. He hella complimented my car and my girl, so chill ass dude. But yeah, he has the SC300 with a 1UZ. I think sick. Other than that though, we're back working on the car. Let me show you guys what I've been doing. Right now I just spray painted the welds with Rust-Oleum, just so the welds are protected. As you guys can see, the other side is not spray painted, it's just taped off. That's what I've been doing, just take a good look under here, just so you guys can see how the subframe connectors look like. Oh, here's the Panhard bar. Right here, Maximum Motorsports Panhard bar. Again, shout out to SIX50. Look at all that beautiful work with the brackets that he did. Does it even focus? Can you guys even see the other way? It's just focused on Maximum Motorsports, but y'all get it. I'm gonna just continue to spray paint these just so I can protect those welds. Oh, I just found out that this car has MagnaFlow mufflers. No wonder it sounds hella bad. No, I'm just playing. Nah. I'm gonna flip the video so you guys can see the lettering, but look, MagnaFlow. I never knew this car had MagnaFlows. Crazy. About an hour or two later of painting and prepping, I'm all done. I'm tired as hell because I'm working in the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4. What the fuck is that leaking? Anyways guys, I'm all done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, sub in, you know, all the good stuff. And remember guys, rise over obstacles and stay... I can't talk right now. Rise over obstacles and stay humble. Peace. Either you guys are watching this as a sneak peek or as my exhaust video. The full exhaust video. So sneak peek or full exhaust video. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but just know that I'm getting a new exhaust. And we're on the way to Race Factory to go get a new exhaust. We're here at Race Factory. Like I said, you guys are either watching this as a sneak peek or as the actual exhaust video. Set it. Hey, it's because the bumper hangs low in the side skirts, that's why.
And it's wide and low.
It's wide as hell, yo.
I put my money on casino.